Welcome to video number 7 of the Titanic build. It's getting forever long, my God. But anyway, we got pieces laid out. We're going on to step 5. I already did the iceberg part right there. All this is done already. So all we gotta do is the boat part and you know, get to it. Let me make sure I get this set up where you can see what I'm doing. Like that. Like that. All right, there, Rocky. We'll start this end. Yeah.
Delta House, Dove.
Delta House, go ahead, Dove.
Yeah, so just giving you a heads up, we departed field there, 0025, heading out to Green Canyon.
Copy on the departing field at 0025. Y'all have a safe trip.
Thank you, sir.
Somebody write us 0025.
It does?
Yeah.
I didn't know that was here.
Yeah, that's the one that's doing that R&D work.
I didn't know nothing about it. The only thing I knew about was the rig.
Alright, we're gonna pause it, gather some pieces, be back in a minute. Alright, we got our pieces for the next section. Ready to go. This will be step 6.
Step 6.
And this is the last one. It's got the full black, and we gotta open some more packs and do some other stuff here in a little bit. So we're about to get to it. Let me set this back up. Insight. Alright, here we go there, Captain Insano.
Alright.
Alrighty, there's that section done. It's starting to take some pretty good shape. It ain't very tall to be 6 freaking rows tall, but you know, they're micro. So, alright, we're gonna get the pieces together for one more section for this video, and then we'll be right back. Alright, we got all our pieces. It's a lot of gold, so we get into the, like, I guess the wooden deck part of it's what that's supposed to be. So we're about to get to it right here. All right, here we go. Starting from the back.
All right, you're gonna start off with the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you're gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Double 6.
You know, it's a single 6.
Wow, sorry.
Yeah, single 6, but come 4 off the back.
So it's gonna hang off one, man.
Yeah.
Okay.
You're gonna have 4 dots.
Yeah, left over at the back. Okay.
All right.
That's
The
perfect.
next is gonna
just a tip, Thomas.
No, turn the other one around. Turn this one. Take that one off and turn the other one vertical. Yeah. The funny one is vertical like the 6 is. Vertical.
Oh, so it leaves a piece hanging off.
Leave, yeah, for your single one, yeah. For the single one.
Snap. Oh no, this goes in the front of that.
Yeah, that goes on front of that. Take that
I thought
one.
it went on top of it.
Okay, let's take it off. Just take it off, put it in there by itself.
That goes
Yep.
like that.
Yeah,
And
that's
this
nice.
goes like that to make a nice pretty row right in the front.
That's the brown.
All right, so ta-da! This is the end of this video. We made it up to the wooden deck part. We got a bunch of old pieces left over there. But we'll wrap it up for this one. This will be video number 7. So we got a few more to make. So stay to the next one.